Maternal and Child Health Integrated Program (MCHIP) is USAID's flagship program that supports governments and local agencies with technical assistance to improve and strengthen the functioning and reach of the universal immunization program in the states of Jharkhand and Uttar Pradesh.
MCHIP chose to work in low-performing areas. So it started working in 5 low-performing districts of UP and Jharkhand, state level and the district level. MCHIP was involved in program implementation, monitoring, reviews, and also one of the important things that MCHIP did was to be giving some of the best practices and also including some job aids and also some of the tools that will be useful for the health workers.
This is the idea behind developing a block-level health facility into a demonstration site for immunization program that adapts the best practices and serves as a learning site for correct processes in the key areas of program management, cold chain and logistics management, recording and reporting, and injection safety. Because of this on-site training on best practices and procedures during the cross-learning visits at the demo sites, the focus districts of Deoghar and Jamtara in Jharkhand are witnessing better systems and processes in routine immunization.
Over the years, India has improved a lot in immunization program. There have been improvement in the capacity building of the workers as well as cold chain equipments and many other things. But still, if we review the program, we come to see that there are still many issues. In the supply side issues, if you see, there are issues of vacancy of health staff, poor micro planning, weak training and capacity building issues, poor review mechanism. In the demand side issues, we find that the community is not properly aware when to come for the vaccination, where to come for the vaccination, and at times it has been seen that they are afraid of vaccination. The community is not aware what are the normal side effects which happen and which they are apprehensive of. So these issues, when they are creating low coverage in these areas, we have to come up with some innovative approaches.
In December 2010, after a detailed assessment and ratings based on infrastructure, human resources, level of commitment of staff and partners, equipment and logistics, the Community Health Center at Jamtara was identified as a site that will be developed into a demonstration site. The process started with repeated sensitization of cold chain handlers through the use of job aids, demonstrations and hand-holding on correct practices. The progress was measured using the readiness assessment checklists and was followed up for another month to ensure sustainability before declaring the facility as a demonstration center.
जितने भी लोग यहाँ हैं सर, उनके मेहनत से ही इसको हम लोगों ने राज्य का पहला demonstration center घोषित किया.
Cross-learning visits were then organized for the staff from other facilities of the district with the concurrence of the district health officials. The block-level functionaries of CHC Jamtara imparted training to the participants of the visit on the implementation of correct practices through detailed demonstrations.
Cross-learning visit के दौरान मैंने यहाँ कोल्ड चेन, माइक्रो प्लान, रिकॉर्डिंग और रिपोर्टिंग, स्टॉक रजिस्टर, ये सब सारी चीज़ का जानकारी लिया, जिसका मैं गोड्डा ज़िला में और हर एक प्रखंड में इम्प्लीमेंट करूँगा।
क्रॉस लर्निंग विजिट के दौरान मैंने प्रतिरक्षण संबंधित बहुत जानकारी मिला हमको। अपने ज़िले में जाकर सभी कर्मचारी को अनुश्रवण कराऊंगा।
मेरा सेंटर जो है एक क्रॉस ट्रेनिंग सेंटर के रूप में विकसित किया गया है। इसके लिए मैं अपना सभी स्वास्थ्यकर्मी जो इस सेंटर पर लगे हुए हैं, इस मॉडर्न सेंटर को बनाने के लिए, और ये गवर्नमेंट, झारखंड गवर्नमेंट को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ, जो हमने जो डिमांड किए वो उस चीज़ को पूर्ति किए, और साथ में ये एमचिप के सभी दल जो अपना टेक्निकल सपोर्ट दिए।
Correct ways of developing comprehensive microplans, maintaining updated records and reports, the correct way of arranging the cold chain room, storing of vaccines, temperature monitoring, ensuring timely indent of vaccines, packing of vaccine carriers, preventive maintenance of cold chain equipment, making a contingency plan, injection safety measures and immunization waste disposal were demonstrated. Because of these efforts, There was a considerable change in all the practices related to immunization program in the other facilities of the districts, leading to improved quality.
In the state of Uttar Pradesh, MCHIP team provided support for strengthening routine immunization in 3 poor performing districts. These districts were Banda, Gonda and Varanasi. In these districts, the MCHIP team collaborated with Department of Health, Government of Uttar Pradesh to develop demonstration sites as an innovative approach to improve the capacity and knowledge of program managers, cold chain handlers and other staff members involved in immunization program.
A similar demo site was set up in the district Banda of Uttar Pradesh. One of the most striking things about this site was the installation of solar panels for the cold chain room. It took a lot of careful planning, hard work and active participation of the government officials, local health workers and the MCHIP team that led to the Banda CHC being developed and declared as a demo site.
यहाँ पर जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन साइट नियमित टीकाकरण की विकसित की गई है उसमें MCHIP का तकनीकी सहयोग रहा है। यहाँ पर हमारे ज़िले के अलावा भी अन्य ज़िलों के लोग प्रशिक्षण के लिए आते हैं और जिसके लिए हमको और हमारी टीम को सम्मानित भी किया गया है।
The cross-learning process at the demo site is promising. The active involvement of district and block-level health workers with enhanced ownership is crucial for this activity. Those who attended were thrilled by the fact that small but procedural changes, correct practices and knowledge lead to a gold standard demonstration site for implementing a successful routine immunization program. Seeing the results, the government of Jharkhand has allocated funds for cross-learning visits through its annual health budget.